Today again we are at a beautiful property which is located towards the Bangalore east side, towards nearness to the Whitefield area. The actual location is Budigere, where you have got a quick access towards Whitefield and towards the airport road. So this is actually a villa development, a 5-bedroom villa. So we are showcasing an actual unit here. So the plot sizes, plot facings are east and west, but normally the door comes to a west facing. So this is how you enter into the main thing. So this is the footpath space, and you have a space for 2 car parks where you can park 1 car here and 1 car here. And this is how you the garden space right around the property, and all the doors are towards the north facing. So this is how you enter. A cozy living area here, complete. So from the main door, this is the complete living space. The complete living space there, and post the living you've got a staircase space. Then we enter into the dining area. A good 6-seater dining space can be easily accommodated, completely well lit and ventilated. From the dining we enter into the kitchen, a pretty spacious kitchen area where you have a U-shape platform in here, so the women of the house have got good space to move around here like this. And this is the utility space. So you got a space where you can place the washing machine and a bit of home garden, or a kitchen garden kind of a space there. So now we are heading to level 1. So at the ground level you saw the living, dining and the kitchen, and at the ground level you have 1 bedroom which is 10.10 into 11, a decent space, and everything is natural well lit here for the lighting and ventilation, as this is an independent villa community. And you have a common washroom in here. All the fixtures are of American standards and Grohe, so there is no compromise in terms of the CP and sanitary fittings in here. And now we are heading to level 1. This is the kind of finishing detailing what you get in an actual unit. So everything, the staircase is completely granited with the SS and a glass railing within the home. So at level 1 you've got again a cozy living space which can be used as work from home option and all in here. And then we enter into the 2nd bedroom here. This is the master bedroom practically. So here it's huge space when you look at the spaces in here. So you have your dedicated space with a walk-in wardrobe in here, and then the attached washroom. So again, as I was mentioning, all fixtures are of American standards and Grohe. So pretty niche brands what we got in here completely. So at level 1 we are entering into the 3rd bedroom, and again the bedroom sizes are pretty massive in here. So as you see, you have a bed and a decent space to sit around. So bedroom spaces are pretty good, as I was mentioning. So along with it you have a walk-in wardrobe concept in here, then the attached washroom. And when you talk about the washroom also, I think so you can accommodate a bathtub if you want in here at the corner. So this is how the washroom and the pots comes in. And with the bedroom you have the gallery, the balcony in here. So this is the balcony space. Now we are heading to level 2. Again at level 2 you got a space where you can set up a home theater which is almost 16.4 into 13.4. And at level 2 again you got a party deck, and again you've got the 5th bedroom here. The sizes are 12.3 into 10. So this one is also a pretty spacious bedroom. This is how the bedroom is, and this is the gallery. This property will be completely done by March in place. The open veranda also, when you talk about your space in here, you got a good party deck here. Complete area at the top level here. And this is the fourth. So practically speaking, you have almost 5 bedrooms here, and all the bedrooms are pretty spacious. And talking about the price point, is also starts at around 1.55 crores in here. This is the walk-in wardrobe, then the washrooms here. All the washrooms are pretty huge in here. So to get quality deals with a quality finishing product worth for money, for further details contact PropTech Realty, one of the major marketing partners for major developers in Bangalore. Thank you.